At its essence, a cake printing business helps transform memories, logos, and designs into edible masterpieces. By using food-safe ink and edible sheets, you can print photos, cartoon characters, brand logos, or personalized messages onto cakes, cupcakes, cookies, or chocolates. You have the option to sell printed edible sheets to bakeries and home bakers, provide finished custom cakes to customers directly, or integrate both methods to create various income streams. The necessities for starting out are surprisingly uncomplicated. Essential equipment includes an edible ink printer, commonly converted Canon or Epson models, along with food-grade edible ink cartridges, and edible printing sheets like icing sheets, wafer paper, or frosting sheets. A laptop or smartphone will suffice for handling basic design tasks. As your business develops, optional tools such as precision scissors, cake cutters, fondant smoothers, and simple design software like Canva can enhance your professional outcomes. The charm of this business lies in its small scale, scalability, and suitability for home-based operations. You don't need to be an expert baker or designer to thrive. The skills you need are straightforward and can improve over time. Basic cake handling, simple photo editing like cropping and resizing, and effective communication with customers regarding names, dates, and spellings are sufficient to get started. With practice, your confidence and skill level will naturally enhance. The range of products you can offer is diverse and consistently sought after. Whether it's birthday photo cakes, kids' cartoon character designs, wedding and anniversary cakes, corporate logo cakes, or cupcakes topped with printed images, the possibilities are limitless. You can also sell printed edible sheets independently, which can be quite profitable given low production costs and frequent volume orders. Pricing is adaptable and can be tailored to your local market conditions. An A4 printed edible image may sell for between $5 and $10, while custom photo cakes typically range from $30 to over $100. Orders for corporate logos often justify higher pricing. Since consumables are affordable, profit margins remain strong even in competitive pricing scenarios. Attracting customers has become simpler in the digital age. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook are particularly effective for cake businesses, as visuals enhance engagement. A WhatsApp business catalog simplifies ordering, while collaborations with local bakeries, event planners, schools, and offices can yield steady bulk orders. Establishing a Google business profile aids local customers in quickly locating you during their online searches. Emphasizing food safety and professionalism is crucial. Always adhere to local food safety guidelines, utilize only certified food-grade inks and edible sheets, and reserve your printer solely for edible printing. A clean and dust-free workspace fosters trust and protects your brand's reputation. To distinguish yourself, both speed and quality are essential. Providing same-day or next-day printing, ensuring image clarity, and assisting customers in design decisions can give you an edge over the competition. Offering bundle deals, such as cakes paired with matching cupcakes, boosts order values, while showcasing customer photos and reviews enhances credibility and draws in new clients. Ultimately, a cake printing business encompasses much more than merely printing images. It's about aiding individuals in celebrating life's most significant moments in a personal and unforgettable way. With creativity, consistency, and dedication, this straightforward business idea can evolve into a dependable and rewarding income source.